Listen, I've been playing a Rebel Salute for 4 years. All who proud of the African and deal with sound system, make some noise. Them boy they play sound long before me born. And nobody know him at Jamaica. And the first time him come to Jamaica, I go and send him back to Europe. All who love reggae music, me are looking up. Me are looking up. Turn up the music. Me are looking at Jamaica. Hold on that. What the country people them there? What the country people? You are your country artists?
Voice of Clarendon, Maple in the plaything.
Foundation!
Like a thief in the night, dynamic sound appear. To pay the sound boy them a visit. We shall return when we go.
Nah man. Who don't give me my forward who they say, go on Africa! Tony Rebel, pick up yourself. Mr. Say you love pick some sound to come clash the African. What you see tonight, and me and them, you know. All who want me kill you say, kick that. When your foundation, don't think. Listen.
Rebel salute, let's rise and shine and give the African the victory. Killing foundation tonight.
Listen.
Not even Tony Rebel can save them tonight.
Turn up.
Prince, Zion, a man called Adele. I want to them. River family. Oh gosh. Oh na 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 na. Yeah.
In my power with the artists and me alone. Yeah.
Right now we have the murder song, but I know what you been playing over the dancehall.
Level. Who don't talk to me, Jamaica? Talk to me. Who don't want me to kill him again? Who don't say kick that? Listen.
Dynamic sound is special spot.
If them foundation, that's it.
Sudanese tribe.
If them foundation.
Dynamic of the kill foundation sound with selection. I'm them down there.
Yo, wanna make some noise for the Africa? No, do Jamaica. 4 years me a play reggae music around here. Big up all Japanese, big up all Trinidadians, big up all Guyanese. Where the Jamaican them in the place make some noise. If I go come up here and talk about him a play reggae music 40 years. But at the first time him come to Jamaica, all who say an idiot thing, say an idiot thing. Me can't tell about that boy then.
We sing ta-na-na-na, dynamic ta-na-na-na. Oh,
Level. I think I paid my dues in Jamaica, don't it? But you see him, let me tell you what they talk about him all over the world.
When they talk about dogs and talk about songs, nobody no mention your sound anymore. You go around the world.
Level. When me talk about reggae music, I look up to see sound then.
Dynamic Sound International. Dynamic Sound International. Sound killer. Sound killer.
Come fix up this.
Kill them already, big way.
Hold on, come fix up this, man. Come fix up this, please. You know, play right. Even if I want turntable, me, I use me, I kill him tonight.
far I hear the dynamic sound playing nice. And the feeling is laid back. But why the sound roar when the thing that...
I'm gonna mention some artists. And if you rate them, wanna make some nice. Tony Rebel. Queen Africa. Buju Banton. Sizzler. Capitan. Marcia Griffiths. Marcia Griffiths. Marcia.
Marcia Griffiths. Kill your fast.
We can't hear myself. Turn up there.
Life lost.
I know real Marcia Griffiths. Everybody go, sir.
Dynamics a murderer.
I was drawn into myself, observing you, someone. From every angle I could see, you sound is gonna get shoulder.
Dynamics a kill you.
Dynamics
BSC, please don't play the bass, please.
die from
Yeah, mash up my double, mind me kill you too, you know, BSC.
test to someone.
Tell someone.
You got mine.
Them sound boy they a fool. Them a fool idiot. If them rap with dynamics, them bounce and get shot. Them a fool.
All who rate Buju.
Idiot.
What the people they were rate Buju? What the people rate Buju?
Now mercy.
What the people are rate Buju? Buju!
We come a dance, we come for clash. Tell us how we come for win. Dynamic sound and... Put your ram spirits a man.
All who respect Mary Summer, legend! Legend!
Listen. Any guy you want, wanna you a fool, suffer run off your face and come test. Dynamic sound.
Level. The first time I came on Rebel Salute, I was standing right here, so. And the artist here mash up the place. All who remember the late great Tony Tough, wanna put up your hand right now.
Keep that sound in tune.
Tony Tough!
The first time you test the dynamic, man, I kill your sound. Little jumping sound.
Level. Him say, him a play reggae music 40 years. Which is good. That's way longer than me. Me a 21-year-old, you know. That means I've been playing reggae music for about 10 years. But in the sound system, and me a lead. All who say the African are going bad for 1 year, make some noise. You know why nobody know that sound, eh?
Dynamic, kill them sound, they call them a evil.
If I talk about 40 years of reggae music, you know why nobody know him?
Some sound boy, I play sound from about 1985, but
Yes,
it's not
dynamic.
one.
Cut. 10 minutes done.
Respect Jamaica.
Dynamic. Okay. Hey, musician, don't have to go hold down on the music because you know, make the man them do what the man do, you know. Yes, it sound away. Trust me. Okay. The man that come from Holland, Netherlands. Him name Foundation. So we want to see what him do. Foundation. Go ahead.
Holy Manolai, Emperor Haile King Selassie. Yeah! Rastafari. The boy coming on the place. And I bless the place. I'm a God blessing in the building. Yes, I mean himself long great. Representing Foundation all the way from Netherlands. That boy said, 40 years we play music. Yes. And then him said, and the first time you come to Jamaica. Hey boy, ready for immigration? Warm to you. Yo, I mean them Rastaman, you know. Listen. I mean the wall that better feel like. Jamaica!
Foundation sound.
Jamaica! Hey!
No one else.
I would never give the power to a bar. One can crucify the drug. Time alone, what time will tell. You think you're in my heaven, but you're living in hell.
Selassie, Jah! Rastafari! Hold on, man. You know, say, originally I come from Suriname, with the Netherlands my base. I know say, what Jamaica and the Dutch have in common? We smoke ganja hard. What's in the meantime?
Murderation. Yeah, you know. Foundation song killer.
What the people come for play?
Assassination.
Hold on now.
When you lick them right between them eyes. Slaughteration.
There.
Elimination.
I want to do crocodile boy. I want to him. Hey. That's right, yeah. Yo, people, big and serious. When you see the poster say Dubplate showcase. Would you believe that? Would you really think me fly all the way to Jamaica to showcase my dub box? Well, all right, you know what time it is, right? What time is it?
Sounded tonight, yes.
Hold on now.
But
How do you feel?
I feel when foundation is in town, them are the roughest thing around.
Watch out. Yeah, my members are just a pastor, you know. I'm just a pastor. Jamaica, I love you know. If I'm not Jamaica, you won't know about reggae music. If it's not reggae music, we know what Rastafari. See? So big up all the Rastaman of the place. 12 Friday, now you're being Bobo Shanti. Jamaica, big up on yourself. Listen to one day.
Foundation sound.
Yeah, but there.
Watch this. Hello, Tony Rebel, sir. How are you?
Salute.
I am feeling fine, and I hope you're fine. Hello, Mr. African. How about you? I'm sorry to say this is the end of you.
Selassie Jah, Rastafari. Yeah, man. You got to give the man the flowers still, you know. You got 2 years in a row and I know that, brother. Let me tell you that. Latch up for the one day. What do you mean, then? You're going to play the biggest sound clash anthem of the world.
Right sound original foundation sound.
Jamaica!
Right to show the sound system and master.
All ready again.
Hello.
Foundation. You think I joke? Gunshot in put in a crocodile head gun fit. Selassie. Jamaica, who Jah bless? Who Jah bless? I know said nothing can stop from thriving a life, you know. I mean in Rastafari Foundation.
Junkie Foundation, everything. So
I'll tell you, John.
Yeah. So them can't do nothing for test me. Whenever foundation
I listen to say what that sound, yeah.
to the top of the
What's your name? Rebel salute.
Foundation, I play a lot this and them on the like and them do anything cause them claims so that it's all about survival.
Sure.
Anything is like I'm on the yard, them idol. The world is getting sick, everybody want go viral. The meditation, it's a primal. Hey, I know for them stand up for nothing, it's hiding on the spinal. Them are on the rival, they make people feel me tidal. Try to kill the spirit, we have the revival.
Selassie Jah. Yeah. I'm not feeling people, I'm not feeling irate. How the Rasta go on? How the little Rasta go on? Alright. You know you see the African there? He run up him out. Him too chatty. But he knows say welcome to music, him can't talk to me.
Try to go round the thing, try to go round the thing. You will feel me learn.
Him can't talk to me. I know.
We don't care if a sound boy just him dead all day. We need we love.
What's up?
You know you're killed them.
Who is here?
We don't talk foundation
Foundation.
Foundation make you so bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad, you too bad. Down you too bad. Oh boy, tell them I'm limited.
Yo, you gonna beat the crocodile till them black and blue. Push you again.
First the down. Lead it on to the bang bang, to the bang bang, to the bang bang. Lead it on to the bang bang, to the bang bang, to the bang bang. Lead it on to the bang bang, to the bang bang, to the bang bang. Foundation go to the bang bang, to the bang. Foundation. They want a foundation, must have a gun. Let them go for move for yourself and go with them one gun. Off it on a two go, like him on a she go. This a foundation, but could never be no so we are go. Pass it on to the bang bang, to the bang bang, to the bang.
Yes, right. I love them about the fire, not just now. What do you boy? But still the bout. You see right now?
Slow them up, their feelings, them not carry. Them back them up, they can't
That's right, yeah. Where the lighter then? Where the lighter? Where the salon?
Slow them up, their feelings, them not. Them back them up, they can't carry. Slow them up, their feelings, them not carry. Yo, turn your foundation. Oh, them not good, them not them not try. This thing's still up, so.
That's right, yeah. We have a question. Who was on Freedom Street the other day? People in here was on Freedom Street? Well, Jamaica. All who know say freedom is a must. Give me some signal. All who know freedom is a must. Give me some signal. And welcome back out up on the road.
Creeping a fruit fight.
But tonight, Dynamic, you see the difference between me and you? Cartel, tell him!
That's how we so. Babylon, if I them alone, nobody know dead. If I be alone, every day another marrow's bed. Execution, chatting on them problems, no chat on them solution.
Alright, we'll have some fire truck for the boys. Cartel again, are you ready? Let me salute.
Murder men.
Now, Dynamic, you see you?
If you're this foundation, your skin burn them, me phone. Sound like people in here, burn them, you got from Germany, we murder.
Yes, yeah. I see the little boy come on stage and him play a couple of Dubplate and calm in him in it. Hey boy, you think we can't do that? Yo, people, don't listen keenly, you know, because I'm not going to talk, don't listen for myself.
Yo, Zebulon. Yeah, Montana, Junior Gus.
And the Seeky boy.
I could read about rap with the Zebulon, you know the thing going on, man. A bad general. Yeah, rebel salute. Watching them shoot. Oh, yeah. Yeah, Tony Rebel. Sure. Every year you do this, dog. Send for the fake African for come a yard. But tonight we have one lesson for teach him. Upon the stage I saw the rats from Europe and go beat him. Alright, the fake African to chatter. They are tonight and go on like saying my shatter. Yo Zebulon, make we diss him. And style him, what's another popcorn? Did not to scatter.
Love it now, thank you.
Yeah. It's not easy at all. All right, so Dutch guy, I hear what you do. Oh, you want to know. All right, you want to know. You have a vote now, you know. You shall read the first one. I can't do it one this one. Okay, so second round. Say that one. Five Dubplate each. So we're going to start now with Dynamic from Sudan. Ready, sir?
Rebel Salute, make some noise for the clash part of the gangs. Make some noise for the clash part. Bondsman, big up yourself, but in the party is very important, right? So just please let the music play, don't it? All who agree say yes. Imagine, me come from Africa. Yes, me live America. But will you ever see me represent America? Me never sell out Africa. All who love where they come from, make some noise. Me coulda live at Cuba, me say Africa. The man come from Suriname. Him call himself the Dutch champion. Who's a sellout? All no respect where they come from. Make some noise. You see him?
He that someone from town or country.
Me no business where he come from.
Oh no.
Jamaica. He no matter where he come
Stand your
from.
home. You could have come from Rima or you come from Chuck. You could have come from Firehouse or you come from Power. What's up? What's up?
Yeah, like I told you, him talk too much. I know I come from Suriname. Because me pick up Suriname anywhere I go. I never forget where I come from, you know. Yeah, but I'm based in the Dutch, in the Netherlands base. Yeah? Alright people, but you know what I said. For everything that comes in end, right? And when them say 3 strikes? 3 strikes? Think I joke?
Yes, a real sound.
Yo, we go reach this spice.
Sound, yes.
Yo, Dynamic, you see you? You see you?
Watch how you walk and talk. Foundation don't style up. Watch how foundation kill dynamic down iron. Watch out for this year. Show the crocodile on the sea, make him rock out with motion. Dynamic day, make him so represent Route 1 check. Big up the tourists and we big up the Nathan check.
Sure.
Yo. Who no give him some power? You need it. But you never know. There's a rule when it comes to certain things, right? You see when an artist dip on the same show where you dip on, you're not supposed to play the artist show. But big up yourself, because me no bad mind. When me say where me come from, when me say where me come from, who don't want me take it to Africa now?
Them days, so the book one man them someday.
Foundation ya Tabaronia.
African you kill them happily.
Tell them.
Some call it Spanish town, but this is African rock. Some call it dub for dub, but this is African rock.
No, that's not one. That not work, my brother. That not work. Yo, people, you know what is funny? Him always talk about African this and African that. It seems like I've never listened to reggae music. Huh? A long time the Rasta man tell about repatriation is a must. What do you boy? If I know reggae music, you won't know where I come from. You see me? But always remember where I come from. Listen this boy. Wanna listen? Wanna listen?
African roots, foundation sound of African roots. We kill a sound and rebel salute. Good dynamic in a federal salute.
Alright!
Born and raised in Europe, the ground of African roots. So glad to be in Jamaica. Kill a sound and a rebel salute.
The race is not for the swift, you know. But for what? You know what I wonder? Why is it every time you talk about Africa, it have burn some people, you know? I saw them not like Africans. Well, Africans and Jamaican are one people. But we can't tell about we. You see, we are Jamaicans, Africans. All who love God, we are God, we are God.
We are God picking this, we are God picking it. And all them and them say them can't stop me. We are God picking.
We're trying to stop you. Your time is just over. Yo, we told the rebel there. The Tony Rebel there. Yo, guess what, people? Tony Rebel sent one African to kill me. One African him sent to kill me. You have the three of them. Wanna listen? You have 3 Africans to kill him. John.
When country stand farmer, don't need that rent to the mine man. We call them the African brothers up, kill him out the sound of corner, sing.
Foundation just a kill sound. Foundation just a murder sound.
Hold on now.
Foundation just a kill sound. Foundation just a murder sound. Alright, cause a long time they might hear this your sound.
Yo. That no make it. I am very fair when him get him forward, me give him forward, don't it? But that, you have to take that back to Europe, you know. When the country people them in the place, make some noise. When the country people themselves, make some noise. Them a talk about African.
Big up the river
Listen, Jamaica. Reggae me up here.
The African soul forward. And the dancehall scene.
Who you have, Jamaica? Who you have?
Idiot sound boy. Murder in the first degree.
A forward, you call it a forward. And then again, him this sugar minot. You can't believe it. Him this the African brother. Boy, you too rude. You too rude, my youth. Alright, I'm gonna play a song now. When I used to listen when I was a little kid. And I'm sure you will agree with me. That song yeah, designed for make boy dopey. You're dead boy. I don't know that song yeah.
There's a sound boy dying, tra la 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 la. A sound boy crying, tra la 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 la. Foundation do the burying, tra la 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 la. You look like a duppy in a box, bam bam.
Okay.
Yeah, but one more time.
I'm private player.
Yeah. Yo. You know, I remember the first time they keep this, right? And Tony Rebel get a fight, you know. Zebulon, big up yourself. A sound clash, you know, brother. Make some noise for the youth. Alright, come on for me stage then. You can't take my forward. Listen. When Tony Rebel first kicked this, artist, selector, promoter, fight him and say sound clash on the Rebel Salute stage is not good. This is not my forward. It's not his forward. I want to give Tony Rebel a forward right now for this. Make some noise for Tony Rebel. I want to make some noise for Tony Rebel, man. Jamaica, me attack this with blood in my eye right now. You know who's my favorite artist of all time? All due respect, the late great cool ruler Gregory Isaacs. This is one of my first dubplate me ever voice. And me have to play it right here, so a Rebel Salute. Holy man who like King Selassie, yeah!
So big up River Nile family every time.
Gregory Isaacs!
It's the same building.
Thank you, Jamaica! Gregory Isaacs!
Who's gonna kill the sound tonight?
Make it play! Who are play?
Only dynamic can do it right.
Sir!
Was that a question? Who is gonna kill? Alright, you know who gonna kill, right? You know, yo, Jamaica with them. Lion rule their place. And no crocodile. You have to pay respect by you. Anytime you see foundation, put some respect for my name.
Lord of mercy.
Final entry. Rebel Salute. Final entry. Shabba.
We don't know, so the people is about to sell when I pull down. I jump one, that's my nation, I'm murder out, yeah. We don't know, so the people is about to sell when I pull down. Yes, the chanting for this is a bad answer. So they turn some bad, but it's in matter with them. Some big long shot, we are going to murder.
Okay. All right. Yes. I voted again, you know. Where's the enough about a vote? Voted again. All who say Dynamics run the one day. Put up on and say red. Oh, but there's some here say, okay. No company play with him. All who say Foundation from Alan say put up on. It come like a foundation, you know. The man they move on the cup. Foundation out of Alan. Dynamics. Where play? No play no left us so them night and night. But Dynamics so if you go do me that. See that Virgin here? I kill him this a year, man. Him go through enough sound system, I tell you. Yeah. All pan the camera crew. What's in there? All pan the camera crews. Him lose. Give that, brethren. Give that. So you want to do? Just shake a hand. You want to do that? Yes. You know, I don't know.